So I've got this choc switch with some plastic broken off inside of it. This button cap was on it, 3D printed PLA plus Inland brand. And some movement made it snap the stem on one side. And so to reuse the switch with another cap, we gotta get that plastic out. And then for this is basically just garbage. I'll have to reprint it, but I can use this to get this out by melting them together. I've done it a few times, but it's been a while, so I don't know how well it's gonna go. Here I've got my Pine-Sil V2. I kinda used this to melt plastic pretty early on when I got it, so I'm gonna use this instead of my V1 that I actually use for soldering. Just because I don't know how well the plastic comes off. This tip is probably already a bit damaged from being used without solder. The buttons stick up more on this model, I forgot about that. So I'm going to turn it down to like 3D printer temperatures, like 220 or so. Because I don't want to like turn it to gas or whatever. Just want to melt it. What usually works is sticking like the side to it, but again I haven't done this in a while now. And usually the plastic on the switch comes out okay, so it's probably got a higher melting temp. I don't remember how I did this last time. As far as holding it, this feels pretty sketchy. And you want a pretty solid bond, because you're going to pull up with a lot of force. So just getting it to stick temporarily isn't good enough. I should probably clamp this or something. And the pins are stabbing me. Back off to let it cool. Nope, not on there. Might be able to do it this way. Going in blind here a little bit. No, that didn't do it. I'll try to grab the helping hands in case they help. Too much crap in the way from previous stuff, like working on the DualShock 3. think it's on there, but it's pretty weak. No, didn't quite get it. Wonder if I should turn up the temp. I don't know. It'd be nice if these caps didn't break like this. I've had to do this a few times. Alright, trying again. Nope. It's kind of tempting to say I can't do it, but it really has worked out several times before, so I can probably get it eventually. It still feels a little loose, but I'll try again. Oh, I got it. There you can see that's the part that had broken off. And there the switch is all cleared out now. Pretty much good as new to be reused now.